Hey guys, welcome back to another Six Flags Great America construction update. We're starting off over here with the brand new suspended family coaster for 2027. Footers are being put in at this moment already, this early in the season. Maybe kind of hard to see, but it's a transition from new track on the left to old track on the right. You can see that the new track for Wizard goes from the end of the mid-course brake run down to the drop that follows. Oh my gosh, where did Hangover's plot go? I have no idea.
Oh.
Batman Fastlane 2 actually has an extension back here. Very interesting.